everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a crucial accessory for many P-Touch label maker users, a generic 12V2A AC adapter, specifically designed as a replacement for models like the PT-18RZ, PT-18R, and those utilizing the AD-18 adapter. For anyone who relies on their label maker for organization, crafting, or professional tasks, a reliable power source is absolutely essential, and this generic option steps in to fill that need efficiently. This particular adapter is engineered to deliver a steady 12 volts and 2 amps of power, which is precisely what the compatible P-Touch label makers require for optimal performance. The connector size is a standard 5.5 by 2.5 millimeters, ensuring a snug and secure fit into the device's power port. Compatibility is key with generic accessories, and this unit is explicitly designed to work seamlessly with the P-Touch PT-18RZ and PT-18R models, as well as being a direct replacement for the AD-18 adapter. This means users can confidently power their label makers without concerns about voltage mismatches or improper connections. One of the primary benefits of opting for a dedicated AC adapter like this is the ability to save on battery costs. Label makers, especially when used frequently, can quickly drain batteries, leading to interruptions and ongoing expenses. With this adapter, the label maker can be powered directly from a wall outlet, providing continuous operation for extended periods. This is particularly advantageous for users who keep their label maker stationary on a desk or workbench, allowing for uninterrupted labeling sessions. Beyond just saving money on batteries, a good generic adapter offers convenience. It means the label maker is always ready to go, without the last-minute scramble for fresh batteries. The build quality of such generic adapters typically focuses on durability and safety. While specific details aren't provided, reputable generic manufacturers usually incorporate features like overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit protection to safeguard both the adapter and the connected device. These are important considerations when choosing any power supply. When considering a generic replacement, it is always prudent for a user to double-check the specifications against their device's requirements. The 12V2A output and 5.5*2.5 connector size are critical details that ensure proper function and prevent any potential damage. This specific adapter meets those exact needs for the listed P-Touch models, making it a practical and cost-effective solution. It allows users to keep their label makers powered up and ready for any labeling task, ensuring productivity and convenience without the constant worry of battery life. It truly is an indispensable item for anyone looking to maximize the utility of their P-Touch label maker.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.